USB-C to Lightning Cable. Deegotech Lightning Cable is built with USB-C connector, not standard USB-A connector. Please use a USB-C fast charger adapter. 10 feet, 3 meters, long iPhone cable. Make sure you need an extra long USB-C to Lightning cable. iPhone 14 fast charger. The iPhone fast charger cord supports 20W power delivery fast charge, which will charge iPhone 14 to 50% in 30 minutes. And data transfer up to 480 megabits per second. Note: to ensure 20W fast charging, need the USB-C power adapters that support fast charging. MFi Certified. Deegotech Type-C iPhone charger cord use new C94 connector and upgraded MFi Certified chip, double protection for your iPhone or iPad. No annoying pop-up warnings while charging. If you have any questions, please contact the seller. Long iPhone charger cord, 10 feet USB-C to Lightning cable allows you to fast charge your iPhone from a long distance. Compared to normal PVC cable, nylon-braided fibers are more durable and tangle-free. The aluminum shell is antioxidative, not easy to rust and crack. Compatibility list. Deegotech 10 feet iPhone charger cable supports fast charging for iPhone 14 14 Pro Max, for iPhone 13 Pro Max, 13 Pro, 13 13 mini, iPhone 12 Pro Max, 12 Pro, 12 12 mini, for iPhone 11 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, SE, X, XS, XR, XS Max, 8 8 Plus, for iPad 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, for iPad Pro 9.7 inch, 10.5 inch, for iPad mini 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. Top reviews from the United States. The quality of this charger is amazing. This was the perfect charger and I got it just what I needed to. I've had the charger for about 8 months and it works perfectly fine. There has been no problem with it. The quality is just beautiful and amazing, and I just really like how durable this charger is. No strings have came loose yet or anything. I would definitely recommend this charger. 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend.